Airports are full of secrets, and seniors are paying the price. From overpriced protections that actually make you less safe to hidden traps that drain hundreds of dollars, these 12 mistakes are still costing smart travelers every single day. The worst part? Airlines and airports quietly profit from them, hoping you'll never notice. In the next 20 minutes, we'll expose each one, step by step. You'll discover why that safe little pouch could actually be your biggest risk, how skipping a single tap on your phone can bump you off a flight, and the timing trick that could save you from hours of turbulence. And stick around, because mistake number 1, that's the game changer that could end your trip before it even begins. Here's a mistake that feels smart but backfires fast: trusting that small travel pouch with your most important items. Seniors especially love them because they seem neat and organized. Passport, boarding pass, credit card, cash, all in one place. But here's the hidden danger. Those pouches are pickpocket magnets. Think about it. If you drop your suitcase or backpack, everyone notices. But a tiny pouch, it can disappear in seconds without a trace, especially in crowded terminals where distraction is the thief's best weapon. Airport theft reports show that small bags and pouches are the top target because they practically scream, "Valuable documents here." And the cost? Losing a passport isn't just stressful. It can take weeks to replace and set you back $200 or more in expedited fees. Imagine standing at the check-in counter, your flight boarding soon, only to realize your documents are gone. At that point, your entire trip is over before it even begins. Pro tip: keep essentials in a zipped chest pocket or a hidden money belt under your clothing. It's not flashy, but it makes you practically invisible to pickpockets. And stick to 2 bags, not 3. Juggling too many items is how most people lose track of the one that matters most. Airport security cameras record thousands of theft incidents each year, and most involve, you guessed it, small pouches. Don't let yours be the next one to vanish. But as costly as that sounds, the next mistake, it's even worse, because it can get you bumped off your flight before you ever leave the ground. Now here's where most travelers make the biggest mistakes. It's not the obvious stuff like long lines or delayed flights. It's the hidden stressors that sneak up on you, the ones you don't notice until it's too late. Think about this. You booked your flight, double-checked your luggage, and even arrived early at the airport. But suddenly, you're stuck in a situation you never planned for, and it's draining your time, your money, and your energy. Let's break down the most common invisible mistakes travelers face. 1. Ignoring airport layouts. Many airports are massive, almost like mini cities. If you don't study the layout in advance, you risk missing your connection or taking the long way around, wasting precious time. Pro tip: always check the airport map online before you arrive. Knowing where your gate, lounges, and restrooms are gives you a massive head start. 2. Underestimating security wait times. Here's the thing. Security lines aren't just unpredictable. They're different at every airport. What might take 10 minutes in one city could take an hour in another. Pro tip: use apps like MyTSA or airport-specific trackers to check wait times before you leave home. 3. Overlooking free airport services. Did you know many airports offer free perks, water refill stations, charging hubs, even mini relaxation zones? Most travelers miss them because they're focused only on getting to the gate. Pro tip: a 5-minute pause at a relaxation spot can recharge you better than scrolling endlessly on your phone. 4. Forgetting to plan for power. Nothing kills your mood faster than realizing your phone is at 5% battery and every outlet is already taken. Pro tip: always pack a portable charger. It's one of the smartest travel investments you'll ever make. These aren't just inconveniences. They're the small, avoidable mistakes that add up and transform your trip into a stressful nightmare. And the worst part? They often lead straight into the major blunders we'll cover next, the ones that can actually cost you hundreds of dollars and wreck your entire journey. Stay with me, because in the next section, we'll expose the #1 airport mistake travelers keep repeating and how to make sure you never fall for it again.
Not weighing your bag beforehand. We've all seen that poor traveler at check-in, frantically unzipping their suitcase because it's just a few pounds overweight. Guess what? Airlines make billions every year on baggage fees. Pro tip: always weigh your bag at home or use the free luggage scales at the airport before you check in. A $10 travel scale can save you $100 in fees. 2. Forgetting about currency exchange traps. Airports are notorious for giving you the worst exchange rates. Many travelers unknowingly lose up to 10 to 15% of their money just by swapping cash at the airport counter. Pro tip: use your debit or credit card abroad, or withdraw from an ATM for fairer rates. Only exchange a tiny amount at the airport if absolutely necessary. 3. Falling for airport food prices. It's no secret, airport meals can be 2 to 3 times more expensive than anywhere else. A coffee that costs $3 downtown suddenly becomes $9 behind security. Pro tip: pack snacks, bring an empty water bottle to refill, or eat before you leave home. 4. Not double-checking gate changes. Here's a nightmare. You're sitting comfortably at your gate, only to find out last minute that your gate was switched across the terminal. Missed flights from gate confusion are more common than you think. Pro tip: always recheck the departure board every 20 to 30 minutes, even if you think you're at the right gate. 5. Skipping travel insurance. This one feels optional until it isn't. One canceled flight, lost bag, or medical emergency can set you back thousands of dollars. Pro tip: even the cheapest travel insurance plan often pays for itself after just one incident. These are the mistakes travelers regret most because they're completely preventable. The good news? With just a little preparation, you can dodge all of them and keep your trip smooth, stress-free, and budget-friendly. In the next section, we'll reveal the hidden hacks seasoned travelers use to glide through airports like pros. These aren't your basic arrive early tips. These are the hacks insiders never tell you about. 1. Skip the long security line with a simple trick. Ever notice how one security line moves faster than the others? Seasoned travelers know lines with more business travelers, look for suits, laptops, carry-ons, usually move quicker. Families with strollers? Not so much. Hack: scan the line before joining. Choosing wisely can shave 20 minutes or more off your wait. 2. Always carry an empty water bottle. Here's a classic pro move. Airports don't let you bring full bottles through security, but they do allow empty ones. Hack: carry a sturdy, refillable bottle and use the free water fountains past security. Not only do you save $6 to $10 per bottle, but you'll never risk dehydration on long flights. 3. Download the airlines app before you fly. Forget waiting around for announcements. Airline apps send real-time updates on gate changes, boarding times, and even baggage claim locations. Hack: some apps even give you free in-flight entertainment if you download them in advance. 4. Use secret seats in the airport. Here's a hack many overlook. Most travelers crowd near their gates. But did you know some terminals hide quiet, comfy seating areas just a short walk away? Hack: look for lounges with public access sections, unused gates, or upper floors. These spots are often empty and way more relaxing. 5. Always pack a go bag in your carry-on. Lost luggage happens, flights get delayed, and sometimes you don't see your suitcase for 24 to 48 hours. Hack: pack a mini go bag with essentials, meds, phone charger, a change of clothes, snacks, and travel documents. That small prep can save you from a nightmare scenario. 6. The boarding hack nobody talks about. Ever feel stressed about finding overhead bin space? Here's the secret. Board as early as you can.